Hi guys, I am back in the basement. I have a couple things to tidy up here, organize a little bit, clean up. So I'm going to be working on that right now. So here is just a little overview. So we have done that area. There's things that need to go up. These chairs need to go next door to my mother-in-law's in a basement. As a backup storage, or maybe we'll be donating them. I haven't quite figured that out yet. I've got some Christmas lights to put away. This is all the donations all the donations that I have gotten from the other rooms that I had decluttered. We also have our rec room and my office. Now my office doesn't need decluttering, it just needs tidying up because I go through it like weekly, so I don't need to declutter it. But there are a couple things that need to be sorted out in more of the staging area for my YouTube DIYs. That needs more. And then over here we have my gym, and again, there's not a lot to go through. All of these drawers just need to be straightened out and maybe just some dusting and stuff like that. Again, I'm not doing the windows because it's freezing out there and they're just gonna get frozen. So I'm going to start at the back two shelves because that is pretty much most of the work that needs to be done is at the back of those two shelves. So over here, I currently have all of the pillows that I am interchanging throughout the different seasons. So I just kind of want to go through them and see if there's any that I can pare down. I did try using those suction bags, but they always let out. So I'm not sure whether they're just no good or I need to buy the more expensive ones probably. So because mine are some are Ziploc brand, but I got them at dollar store, and the other ones are just a dollar store brand, but they were like $4 from Dollarama. So I don't know, I'm sure I need to buy more expensive ones. So I'm gonna go through all the pillows, figure that out. I might take the outdoor pillows and put them into that cushion bin that I have because there is room on there, so that will eliminate some space here.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this.
I did decide to use the bags and give them another try. I just find that they do save up quite a bit of space, and I was able to put 3 bags on pretty much one shelf. Or did I? Maybe, no, I put 3 bags on 2 shelves plus some pillows. So it worked out pretty good. We'll see if they expand. There is room for a bit of expansion. Then I moved on to my books. I have pared down my books so much over the years. All of these 3 shelves that are here used to house all of my books. I have donated them. Actually, I gave them to one of my friends who owns a summer cottage, and she uses them she has like a library, and people that rent out the cottage or use the cottage can choose to read books. It's kind of like a leave a book, take a book kind of library. So I'm glad that somebody got some use out of it. I also hold all of my scrapbooks here and my photo albums and photo boxes on top. The other shelf that's beside it has all of my furniture painting supplies, and because that gets used so often, it didn't need any declutter. Then I moved on to my office, and my office needed more of a deep cleaning rather than decluttering. So I was just putting everything away that doesn't need to be here and giving the whole space a pretty good wipe down. Like I mentioned before, there is going to be a whole organization of the office that I will be doing. That will be a totally separate video.
know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear.
If you enjoy these type of videos, make sure you let me know down in the comments, and make sure you hit that like button. And if you are stopping by my channel for the very first time, my name is Sonja, and on this channel you'll find tons of cleaning, decluttering, organizing, motivation, and even more decorate with me. I enjoy decorating my house for every season, and there is so much stuff coming your way. I am super excited to be sharing it all with you, so make sure you are subscribed and your notification bell is on so you don't miss out any of my uploads. So once I was finished with decluttering my office, more of cleaning my office, I moved on to my gym area, and here it just needed more straightening out. I also wanted to clean this mat that I had recently purchased, and also this boneyard that I have here. I typically, if I'm going to be working out and I know that dogs need distractions, I give them bones, and they tend to eat out all the marrow, and all that's left is just a bone. I have tried boiling them and getting them to kind of bring them back to life, not necessarily boil them, just to refreshing them, but the dogs don't like it, they just like it raw. And for cleaning this mat, I am using just some water and vinegar with some lavender scent.
Make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this.
So like I said, there was a few things that I wanted to get done, and I did. I tidied up all of this area. I'll wipe down the mat. I'm going to get vacuum down here and give it a good vacuum, but I think I'm gonna enlist other people that use this gym to do that, as well as wiping down this bench and all that stuff, just to give it a little bit of cleaning. We do wipe the dumbbells on regular basis just because 3 of us use it all the time. And then I'm pretty pleased with the way this worked out. I left that pillow out because I'm going to be decorating this room for Valentine's, so I'm gonna need that pillow, which will be video next week one day, and so make sure you tune into that if you want to see that. So that's, like I said, that's done, and I will clear this up once I'm ready to take it to Goodwill. I'm obviously not gonna do it tonight, it's Friday night, so I want to enjoy my Friday night, so maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning or on Sunday. They are still open on Sunday, so but I don't want to take this up to Goodwill until I'm ready to go to Goodwill, so it's not cluttering up my upstairs. This, I'm gonna see if my sister wants it. I have to put this away on a shelf, but my nephews are coming over for a visit, so I'm gonna keep that here. Books, I just messaged my friend if she wanted to read any of those. If not, I will be sending them with the donations. Then there is a black, this is like 30-year-old chair, but it's still in good condition. I use it for meditation, so it's nicely here. This is my little meditation station with some dog treats, and then I have just different stuff in here for my diffuser. I have batteries and just some extra stuff. And then over here I have a full tour of my gym if you want to see. The only new thing is this mat, because I was slipping quite a bit on those whenever I did mountain climbers, or what are they called, bear steps or whatever, bear walk. So I bought a mat on Amazon, and this has actually helped quite a bit. I am straightening out this mat here, so I just put weights on here, and So like I say, you can see, I'll link that video at the end so you can see what's all in there. That's I actually have it on my vlogging channel, not on this channel, so but I can still link it in the description box for you to check out. And then I tidied my office, but like I said, I'm going to be redecorating my whole desk, and I can't wait to share that with you. I'm super excited for that. And then I'm also going to be decorating this room for Valentine's Day, so stay tuned for that. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this kind of tying up loose ends, organizing, cleaning video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I